Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure non-disclosure agreements with PandaDoc. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your PandaDoc account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instruction. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Templates tab located in the sidebar. In the Templates section, select Create Template. Choose a blank document or any pre-existing template for your non-disclosure agreement, or NDA. If you're starting from a blank document, click on Start from Scratch. Now, enter a title for your NDA in the document header. Next, click on the Add Blocks button to insert different sections into your NDA. For the first block, add a text section to outline the purpose of the NDA. Clearly define the confidential information being protected in this section. Then, add another text block for the obligations of both parties. List out the responsibilities each party has regarding the confidential information. Following this, add a section detailing the term of the agreement. Specify how long the parties will be bound by the terms of the NDA. Next, insert a block for the exclusions to confidentiality. Clarify what information will not be considered confidential under this agreement. After that, add a signature block for both parties. This will allow both parties to electronically sign the agreement. Once you have all sections in place, review the document thoroughly for any errors. Make any necessary adjustments or edits to ensure clarity and completeness. Next, click on the Settings tab in the document editor. Here, you can customize the document settings like reminders and expiration dates. Now, click on Send when you're ready to share the NDA. You can enter the email addresses of the parties involved in the agreement. Select whether to send the document for signing or just for review. After entering the details, hit the Send button. This action will distribute the NDA to the parties for their action. Once all parties have signed, PandaDoc will store the signed document in your account. To view the signed NDA later, navigate to the Documents tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.